Let's get it, man.
When I was young, I dreamed of flying and acrobats, dreaming, scheming, imagine that. I never say never, that's lack of ambition. Lining out tracks, I'm rapping like I'm fishing. Drop customized greatly, I was trying to do it different. Young kid doing me, it's like I'm rapping with a mission. Passing through the hood, I knew niggas from the city that ain't really had nothing, so they started banging 60. My big cousin told me gang banging ain't good. I really listened to him, cause he was really hood. He was really in the streets, just trying to eat. And I really love dude, he the realest to a G. That's why I'm just spitting Young Star on the beat. Cause when I make one, give it to him, he make three. I love my mama, man, she there for me no matter what. Not saying she know everything, I do other stuff. I ain't a bad kid, but regular ain't enough. So I got on my DTA, and that's something you can trust. Yeah,
I'm not perfect,
I ain't perfect.
I'm working,
I'm working. I ain't perfect, but I'm working.
I'm not perfect,
I ain't perfect.
I'm working,
Full of dreams, was it love or a lust? Mine on success, all the rest ain't enough. I ain't tough, just talk to niggas is whack. Just put my shades on and threw on my all black. Always a cool kid, always know how to act. She just calling my house, I'm like, what's up with that? Always play ball, but then I started to rap. I don't know the love left, so father, what's wrong with that? Father, you like my brother, I be seeing you and me. I can take care of myself, but at the end it's you and me. I'm so ambitious, my mom said that's true. Cause no matter what, I'ma do what I do. Girl, you say you love me, then what you gon' do? Cause I can't play games, and if not, we through. I ain't saying I'm right, but what you want me to do? Ain't nobody perfect, got some girls in your crew. I was there for you, you was there for me. But now I feel alone, guess it's how it's gon' be.
I'm not perfect,
I ain't perfect.
I'm working,
I'm working. I ain't perfect, but I'm working.
I'm not perfect,
I ain't perfect,
I'm working,
I'm working.
I'm not perfect, but I'm working.
How you ever just been irritated with life? If I spit it from the heart, then it'd be alright. Used to see her all the time, now I swear she out of sight. And I can't even give her a phone call out of spite for myself. But it's cool alone, good for my health. And as I look into the future, it is good for my wealth. I'm so focused on my life, I'm enjoying myself. The new champ of this rap shit, I need a belt. Damn, it's for my niggas trying to live life perfect. Get on the stage, go and do your thing. Don't get nervous for a purpose, you gotta find. I feel like I gotta shine. Diamonds are forever, used to play that shit all the time. It's Young C veggies, I'm ready, I'm on my grind, about to kill them all. I'm spitting that columbine, for sure for the dollar sign, for sure, girl, I'm out of time. My mind is somewhere else, I'm working, I'm trying to find myself.